I'm wiring up a custom lighting feature my wife designed for our bedroom, made from an old extension ladder and some baskets. Sound crazy? I know. This lighting feature actually uses 5 light sockets wired together, so I'll show you how we tied these all together. My buddy Jeff and I ran the wires from our 5 sockets to one central hub on the lighting feature, which is a junction box. These 5 wires, along with the wire bringing the power to the lighting feature, all need to be connected together. To do this, we start by separating the 2 insulated wires and each wire running to our junction box by about 4 to 5 inches. Next, we remove the amount of insulation for each wire indicated on our connectors. To do this, we use my favorite connectors, lever nuts from Wago. The Wago connectors have a strip gauge built in, so we use that to remove the right amount of insulation from all of the wires. Now it's time to connect all of the neutral wires together. But how can you tell which wire is hot and which is neutral? They're both black. Well, look closely and you'll notice that one of these wires has smooth insulation while the other has ridged insulation. The wire with smooth insulation is your hot wire and the wire with ridged insulation is the neutral wire. So now we're ready to connect together all of those neutral wires with ridged insulation. For each wire, lift a lever on the lever nut, slide the wire in as far as it'll go, and then close the lever. Boom, done. For this lighting feature, we actually had to use a pair of lever nuts to do this, with a pigtail or jumper running between them, since Wago doesn't make a 6-port lever nut. After the neutrals are all connected, we do the same thing for the hot wires with smooth insulation. These lever nuts are super easy to use, they're my favorite connector, and I've got a link in the description in case you need some. Hey, real quick, do me a favor and give this video a big thumbs up if it's helping you out in some way. If you'd like to see how we built this lighting feature from upcycled materials, I've got a video you can check out right here. And if after seeing this video you feel like I've earned your subscription, you can click the ManCycle logo right here. See you next time.